Hi, my name is Lee from Casually Creative with Lee, 1e.com, as well as known as casually __ creative on Instagram and TikTok, where I share planner tips, plan with me's, journaling prompts, and other personal development inspiration, as well as a sprinkle of lifestyle content. If you are new here, hi. If you're not new here, hello. I know it's been a while. Life has been lifing. I swear everyone's birthday that I know is during the summer months. Mine is during the summer recently, not even 2 weeks ago. By the time you add in new job, recently moving, it's just been busy, basically. No excuses, but I'm working on some consistency and getting back into a routine. I'm actually just now categorizing my sticker books, which will be a separate video that I'll share within the next week or two. So yeah, 2 videos in 1 month, that's pretty much unheard of for me. To share this happy planner Hocus Pocus be happy box with you guys, because one, I feel like if you're a millennial, it's most of ours favorite Halloween movie. If it's not your favorite Halloween movie, it's probably within your top 3 to 5. Most people, not generalizing anything, but most of us. And also we're going into fall. It's my favorite season. It's most people's favorite season. So this be happy box was very timely. And honestly, it's just really great and cool. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I actually recorded the unboxing when I first received the box a couple of weeks ago. And honestly, just didn't get around to it. It was right before I went to Aruba for my birthday. And I'm just now getting around to uploading it. However, I recorded the video for YouTube, so I'm uploading it to YouTube. I am working on holding myself accountable, so I'm sharing it. Well, I'm holding myself accountable where I can get better at YouTube and I can look back on my journey as I progress. Before we jump into the unboxing, I want to share that if you're not on my email list, join. In addition to me sharing planning tips and journaling prompts that I send out regularly to my newsletter, in my newsletter, I also have a resource vault where I try to add printables that I know are efficient in your life. So I have meal planning printables. If you're on social media and you're trying to grow your account, I have a social media tracker. Pretty much anything you need to make your life efficient and also grow your self-awareness, I have it there, and I'm also adding printables every single month. So without further ado, let's jump into this unboxing.